Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to drive over the busiest intersection in Jamaica, where we have the double overpass ahead, and that's the intersection of Spanish Town Road and Hagley Park Road. So that means more cars use this intersection than any other road intersection in Jamaica. And look at the state of the road that you have to drive on to get to the busiest intersection in Jamaica. This is a disgrace. Look at the state of the road. Oh my god. Now you have this very nice overpass, the only double overpass in Jamaica. Very nicely done. Hagley Park Road was recently renovated, so that side of the road is fine. Spanish Town Road is under renovation. I have no idea why it's taking so long, but it's unacceptable for Spanish Town Road to be in such a state. Nonetheless, this is the double overpass. We are on Spanish Town Road, which is the lower of the two. Above it is Hagley Park Road, and this overpass was built over the busiest intersection in Jamaica. So the traffic flows freely now. On the ground level, you still have the original intersection because there are a lot of business places on the ground level of the road. And we just came off the overpass now. We're on Spanish Town Road. That overpass was built by China Harbour Engineering Company, check, and it was done through the major infrastructure development program. All our Hagley Park Road was renovated and the overpass was built at that time. So this part of Spanish Town Road now, on the left you have a lot of business places. On the right is Olympic Gardens, or the entrance to Olympic Gardens. So we're very close to the wharf, so you're going to find a lot of warehouses, a lot of manufacturing places. On the left is Tools Warehouse. On the right is Amalgamated Distributors. On the right is Fleet Master, and I must say they have one of the nicest signs I've seen. It's the picture of a truck sticking out. Okay, on the left coming up now is the Excelsior factory, where they make the Excelsior biscuits. On the right is KIG, car dealership for Ford, Subaru. Oh, sorry. On the right is Select Brands. They distribute food. And then beside it is KIG. On the left is the Red Stripe 214 Exchange, where they make Red Stripe beer. On the right now, that's the KIG. So the manufacturing plant for Red Stripe we just passed on the left. And then coming up on the left now is their retail outlet where they sell the stuff. On the right is the Toyota car dealership. And Toyota is one of the more popular car brands in Jamaica. On the left is the entrance to Seaview Gardens, a very large community. On the right they're building a warehouse. On the left now is the J. Ray and Nephew warehouse. And on the left now is the head office for J. Ray and Nephew. On the right is another warehouse. I'm not sure what the name of that warehouse is. It's a very large facility over there. On the right now is Massey Distributors. On the left is the Berger facility where they make the paint. So on the right now, that is Washington Gardens. If you turn right at that stoplight, it takes you onto Weymouth Drive into Washington Gardens. On the left is the Riverton area, and if you turn left here, it takes you down to the Riverton dump. We actually have videos up on touring these neighborhoods, so you can check out the channel. So we're heading towards Mandela Highway now. And as you know, Mandela Highway is the main road into and out of the city of Kingston, and it's also the busiest road in Jamaica. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.